Ever wondered who's powering the smooth operations behind those seamless HVAC installations, the rapid response to plumbing emergencies, and the sparkling clean results after a deep cleaning service? Today, we're diving deep into the world of ServiceTitan, a powerful software solution transforming the home and commercial services industry. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's ask ourselves, who exactly are the businesses thriving with ServiceTitan? Imagine this. You're a busy homeowner facing a sudden AC breakdown on a scorching summer day. You need a reliable, efficient solution. Fast. Enter the modern service provider, armed with cutting-edge technology like ServiceTitan. They can quickly dispatch a qualified technician, provide real-time updates on arrival, and even offer upfront pricing for repairs. This seamless experience is becoming the gold standard for customers, and it's thanks to powerful software like ServiceTitan that service businesses can deliver. Introduce ServiceTitan. ServiceTitan is a comprehensive software platform designed specifically for home and commercial service businesses. Think of it as the central nervous system of their operations. It encompasses everything from scheduling and dispatch to customer communication, payments, and even marketing. With ServiceTitan, businesses can streamline their workflows, improve customer satisfaction, and ultimately grow their revenue. Who are ServiceTitan customers? Diversify. Now, let's explore the diverse landscape of ServiceTitan customers. They span a wide range of industries, including HVAC, from residential air conditioning and heating repairs to complex commercial installations. HVAC companies of all sizes rely on ServiceTitan to manage their operations. Plumbing, leaky pipes, clogged drains, and emergency water heater replacements. Plumbers leverage ServiceTitan to efficiently schedule appointments, track inventory, and provide excellent customer service. Electrical, from routine maintenance to complex electrical panel upgrades, electricians use ServiceTitan to streamline their operations, improve technician efficiency, and enhance customer communication. Cleaning services, whether it's residential house cleaning, commercial office cleaning, or specialized services like carpet cleaning, cleaning companies utilize ServiceTitan to manage schedules, track customer preferences, and build recurring revenue streams. Lawn care and landscaping, from mowing lawns and trimming hedges to intricate landscape design and installation, lawn care and landscaping businesses rely on ServiceTitan to optimize their scheduling, manage customer relationships, and grow their businesses. Pool and spa services. Keeping pools and spas sparkling clean and functioning smoothly requires meticulous attention to detail. ServiceTitan empowers pool and spa service providers with tools to manage service schedules, track equipment maintenance, and provide exceptional customer service. Pest control. From residential pest control to commercial extermination services, pest control companies utilize ServiceTitan to manage customer accounts, track service history, and ensure efficient and effective pest control solutions. Handyman services, offering a wide range of home repair and maintenance services. Handyman businesses rely on ServiceTitan to manage diverse service requests, schedule appointments, and provide professional service delivery. Highlight key customer segments. Within these diverse industries, we find a range of customer types. Small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. Many SMBs in the home services sector rely on ServiceTitan to gain a competitive edge. It empowers them to compete with larger companies by streamlining operations, improving efficiency, and providing a higher level of customer service. Large enterprises. Larger service organizations with multiple locations and a large workforce also benefit from ServiceTitan's scalability and advanced features. It enables them to centralize operations, improve communication across teams, and gain valuable insights into business performance. Franchisees. ServiceTitan plays a crucial role for franchisees by providing a standardized platform for operations across multiple locations. It ensures consistent service delivery, enhances brand reputation, and facilitates communication between franchisees and the franchisor. Focus on customer success stories. To truly understand the impact of ServiceTitan, let's explore a few customer success stories. Example 1. HVAC. An HVAC company facing challenges with scheduling and dispatch implemented ServiceTitan. With automated scheduling and real-time dispatch, they were able to reduce technician downtime, improve customer satisfaction, and significantly increase their service call volume. Example 2. Plumbing. A plumbing company struggling to manage emergency service calls and provide accurate quotes integrated ServiceTitan. The platform's mobile capabilities and automated communication features enabled them to respond faster to emergencies, provide transparent pricing, and build stronger customer relationships. Example 3. Cleaning services. A cleaning services company experienced rapid growth but struggled to manage their expanding workforce and maintain consistent service quality. ServiceTitan's workforce management tools and customer feedback mechanisms helped them streamline operations, improve employee productivity, and deliver exceptional service to their growing customer base. Emphasize customer benefits. So, what are the key benefits that drive ServiceTitan customers to choose this platform? Increased efficiency. Streamlining scheduling, dispatch, and communication leads to significant time and cost savings for service businesses. Enhanced customer experience. Providing real-time updates, transparent pricing, and personalized service fosters stronger customer relationships and builds loyalty. Improved revenue growth. By optimizing operations, increasing service call volume, and enhancing customer satisfaction, ServiceTitan helps businesses grow their revenue and profitability. Data-driven decisions. Access to real-time data and comprehensive reporting provides valuable insights into business performance, enabling data-driven decisions for growth and improvement. Competitive advantage. In today's competitive market, ServiceTitan empowers businesses to differentiate themselves by offering a superior customer experience and streamlining operations. Highlight the importance of technology in the service industry. In today's digital age, technology is no longer a luxury for service businesses. It's a necessity. ServiceTitan plays a vital role in helping these businesses adapt to the evolving needs of their customers and thrive in a competitive market. By embracing technology and leveraging powerful tools like ServiceTitan, service providers can enhance their operations, deliver exceptional service, and build lasting customer relationships. If you're a home or commercial service business looking to streamline your operations, improve customer satisfaction, and grow your revenue, ServiceTitan could be the solution you've been searching for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,